Hello everyone. There were a lot of inquiries that what Scratch is and how can we log into Scratch. So pretty simple. Just log into scratch.mit.edu. You can quickly go through the About section. Basically, Scratch is a program created by MIT Labs and it's provided free of charge. So it's pretty straightforward to use. You can just log in here. There's so much of help. You can refer to these videos or my videos. And then all you need is either you can join Scratch or sign in if you already have a login ID. I'm going to sign in and it will take me to my account. And next, I'll just go and create a project. If you're learning different stuff about different code blocks or different sound blocks and different codes which you had been experimenting so far. So great, this is all the project space, and the way to look at it is every code block is mentioned here on the left side, like motion, look, sound, events, and each of the blocks within that is part of this screen here, and you can scroll it down and it will switch from, let's say, motion to look, sound, and so on and so forth. And you can add sprites using this. You can choose tons of sprites which are available, different category of sprites if you are coding up something related to sports or food or fashion and so on and so forth. I'll just also take one more sprite. Just let's take a wizard hat, and now we have two sprites, and you can write separate codes for the sprite of interest. So like if you click on this sprite, you see this cat shows up into my code space. This is my code space, where you see my mouse. So any code which we'll write will come kind of here. So this is the code for cat, and now if you want to have a code for wizard hat, you go and click wizard hat, and then that's a separate code, so then you need to kind of apply that particular code in the code space. And for choosing the backgrounds, you click here on choose a backdrop, and then you can choose different backdrops. Again, you have a lot of predefined categories. If you click on all, you'll see all of them. If you're looking only for indoors or some space related ones or underwater or patterns and so on and so forth, whatever patterns or backdrop you were looking for, you will find it here. So great. But this is how basically the whole project space looks like. Once you have coded up a project, you can either do a file, save a copy, or save to your computer, or in between, if you're coding, you can just do save now. Typically, I believe it auto saves every few seconds or minutes, and that's how it goes. All right. Thank you. Well, with that, we come to the end of today's educational tutorial. Please do visit our disclaimer note on learnscratchlearn.wordpress.com. You can go to the disclaimer section and then read through it. I'll just keep it scrolling on the screen so that you can read through it rather than me reading through each and every word. Alright, with that, again, thank you so much for attending yet another video, and please do leave in your comments and feedback, or you can email me at learnscratchlearn@gmail.com. Thank you.